Okay, here's my little New Year's setup. I got these, they were buy one get two free. I'm just going to wire up the little Happy Planets first, and then the bigger ones on top to go off at the end. Alright, here's my setup. So just these little ones first, one at a time. And then I got my Quick Wick there, the pink one, to where somewhere in the middle of this one should start going off. And then shortly after that, see, these are both wicked really close together. Both these should be going off relatively at about the same time at the end. Just a little show for 30 bucks.
Something blew up over there.
Yeah, one of them tipped over. Was hitting the cars.
And something landed in my hood.